Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your JD.com or JD Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to open up my JD shopping app right here. After you open up your JD shopping app, next thing you need to do here is to go ahead and click on here to fill your cart. So I'm going to open up my cart right here. So after you open up your cart, this is where you need to select the items or product that you want to remove or delete from your cart. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said earlier, this is where you need to choose the right one that you want to delete. Let's say, for instance, I want to delete this one entirely. So what we want to do here, first thing first, we need to make sure we come to the top right here, click on this icon right here. So I'm going to click on that. Now you see a trash icon. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on here. So once you click on here, then the item will be fully deleted, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. You can use this method to delete as many as possible items or remove as many as possible items from your cart in JD Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship product from China using JD Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Xianyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.